thank you for being here to celebrate this new resource for Minnesota and for food entrepreneurs and for our students at SMSU as well. I think it's great to see this new resource that can accelerate the commercialization of ideas as well as contribute to the educational opportunities for students here at SMSU as well.
Sensory evaluation is a very key aspect that a lot of food companies partake in. It's widely used, so the knowledge that they'll be able to get using this facility along with their education from their professors will give them a leg up versus other universities. So it's a great opportunity for them to get some real-world experience while in college.
The Sensory Lab is truly a product of our collaboration and partnership.